Now students, we will study about map scale. The topographical maps are drawn to map scales. Map scale refers to the relation between the distance on the map and the corresponding distance on the ground. There are three ways to represent a scale on the map. Statement scale, graphical scale and representative fraction. A statement scale is a verbal statement that gives a written description of the scale. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. It means 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 10 kilometer on the ground. Graphical scale. A graphical scale or a linear scale is simply a straight line marked and divided into equal parts. This also shows the relation between the distance on the map and the actual distance on the ground. Representative fraction. A representative fraction is a numerical description of the ratio of the map distance to the ground distance. For example, 1 is to 10,000 means 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 10,000 centimeters on the ground. Now, let us learn to measure distance on the map using scales. Distances on the map can be measured in two ways, along a straight line or along a curved line. Along a straight line, to measure a straight line, simply you can use your ruler. For example, as shown in the picture, the distance from A to B shown here is 7 centimeter. Now, along the curved line, to measure a curved line, we can use a piece of paper with a straight edge. Otherwise, the best method is to use a thread or a string. Now, here are the following steps that are to be followed while measuring the curved line by the help of a thread. Step 1. Place the thread along the curved line whose length is to be measured. Then mark both ends of the thread with colored pen. Then put the thread along the ruler. Now you can measure the colored ends of the thread. It is the measure of the curved line. And then you can calculate the real distance by using map scales provided. In the same way, a paper strip can be used to measure the curved line. Put the paper strip with the straight edge on the first straight part of the curved line. And then finally, repeat the steps. And then the paper strip is to be laid along the ruler. And then read the distance in centimeters from A to C. In the same way, the real distance can be calculated by using the map scales provided. Now let us study how to calculate distance using scales. Every topographical map is provided with a ratio and a linear scale. We need to use this following formula in order to find the measurement of the distance. Ratio scale is equal to map scale, map distance into scale. And then we have to convert it from centimeter to kilometer. Now let us measure the distance between a school and a hospital by using this formula. Let the map scale in the form of representative fraction be 1 is to 10,000. That means 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 10,000 centimeter on the ground. Now let the map distance between school and the hospital be 2 centimeter. So now the actual distance in reality is equal to 2 into 10,000. That means if 1 centimeter is equal to 10,000 centimeter, so 2 centimeter is equal to 2 into 10,000 centimeter. That is equal to 20,000 centimeter. Now we can't simply give the statement that the distance between the hospital and the school is 20,000 centimeter. We need to convert it in meter or in kilometer. So 20,000 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. That is equal to, or in other way we can say it is 0.2 kilometer.